Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below if you want to join this little family of ours. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys easy hairstyles to do for medium length hair. I would describe my hair like medium length. So if you guys want to know some easy, cute hairstyles that you can rock every day, or whether your hair is oily or you are just bored of your hair being down and straight or curly, then make sure you keep watching, and I'm going to be sharing some fun hairstyles with you guys. My hair is basically semi-waved, and basically I'm going to be styling it. So first off, you need a cute little scrunchie to create some fun hairstyles. So the easiest thing to do to just spruce up your hair is to do a cute little messy pony with a really nice hair tie, basically, or like a scrunchie, sorry. So I like to do a loose messy pony and just kind of pull up the pieces here and leave some pieces in the front, and there you go. This is such an easy style. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the back. Literally takes 30 seconds to do and just spruces up your hair. So that is the first messy low pony. For this second hairstyle, we're also going to be using a scrunchie again. Basically going to take half of my hair like this, and we're basically going to be doing a half up, half down style. You can obviously do this with a regular hair tie as well, but I always like to make it a little bit more fun and do it with a scrunchie. It just looks so much cuter, and basically like that. And there you have it. Second cute easy hairstyle. And if you want some extra volume, you can just take some of the pieces, back comb it, and basically fluff it up. This just like makes me want to go to a Ariana Grande concert. And for the third hairstyle, you're basically just gonna leave your bangs out and take a little piece of hair, basically this much right in the front, and you're gonna do a French braid. I'm also just leaving some pieces in the front here to frame my face. I'm gonna secure it with a pin. And you can even loosen this braid a bit if you want. And same thing as I did on the other side, I'm gonna just pin this. You can obviously loosen the braid a bit if you want. So you can either leave it like this, boho messy, kind of like braided style, or if you want, you can put this in a little pony, or you can put it in a cute little messy pony like that. For the next style, you can do similar to what I did earlier, kind of like half up but not completely half up. So I'm basically grabbing this middle section here, and I'm gonna take my scrunchie. Again, you don't have to use a scrunchie, you can just use a hair tie as well. And basically I've just done a little bun here, and you can obviously make this more messy and like bigger however you want it. I kind of just like it like this, and there you go. And next up is a messy bun. I'm gonna leave this much hair out, and same thing on the other side. I'm gonna leave this much out, and the rest of it, I'm basically gonna put it in a messy pony, like a low pony. So I'm taking my hair tie. Oh, that's not a hair tie. So I'm gonna take my hair tie, put it in a little low pony, and then basically I'm twisting it, and then I'm gonna make a little bun out of it like this. And then I'm gonna take another hair tie and just make the bun. So basically you're gonna make it into a bun, and if there's any loose pieces, just take a bobby pin and secure that. And then with this piece, what you're gonna do is, so you can leave some of it out in the front, the rest of it you're gonna twist it and kind of loosen it and secure it around the bun. So you're gonna get a cute little bun basically, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side here. Secure that, and then you can kind of loosen anything here. And basically there you have a cute little messy bun. I'm gonna take some of the hair pieces out that I kind of want like messy in the front, and then the rest of the hair I'm gonna basically go like this and twist my hair like so, and I'm basically securing it in a little bun, and I'm gonna use a scrunchie to secure that. Like this, and you can leave these pieces out, and basically this is a cute little scrunchy bun. Then you can leave some pieces out. I'm gonna basically do a high bun. So I'm just gonna sweep all of my hair up like so, and basically twist it in a bun like so, and secure it with a scrunchie. And there you go, you have a cute little messy bun. There you have it, guys. These were my simple, easy, fun hairstyles that you can do in under 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the video, and if you want me to do any more hair tutorials, also let me know in the comments below. And with that being said, I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for always showing so much love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.